Good afternoon. Welcome to Johnston Motors, bringing you another Jeep Wrangler TJ here. Want to do a quick walk around video, tell you a little bit about this particular Jeep. Obviously, it's a Jeep Wrangler TJ Sport in Solar Yellow, which is one of my favorite colors. I love this color. I think it pops. And this one is a really good example of one. The paint is actually in really good condition for the age of the vehicle. We have not touched it up or done anything cosmetic to this vehicle at all, other than obviously wash it and clean it. It has been garage kept at least since for the last probably 10 years. Prior to that, I don't know, but I know the previous owners had pretty much had it in their garage, unless they were driving it, of course, for the last 10 years. This is a Texas Jeep. It was originally sold brand new here in Texas and spent probably 70% of its life in Texas. It did go back and forth some between Texas and New Mexico. The family had some property out there. So anyways, it has been in the same family since 2007, which is very cool. It has had multiple owners before that, but same family since 2007. Really nice folks that sold it to us. And yeah, it's mostly stock. Obviously, there's our aftermarket wheels. And it's riding on 31-inch tires, so not quite the original tire size, slightly, basically one size up. But other than that, it's pretty much stock suspension. So you'll see these aftermarket steel tube front and rear bumpers, as well as the side steps, match the wheels. Obviously, it still has the factory fog lights on it. They do work, which is great. This being a sport, it comes with a 4.0 inline six, 242 AMC. PowerTech engine. There's like a million names for it, but 4.0. It runs great. I'll let you hear it at the end of the video. It doesn't knock or click or anything like that. This vehicle does only have 52,000 miles on it, and it runs and drives like a 52,000 mile TJ should. There's absolutely zero leaks on this Jeep. It's for the most part rust free. You'll see some patina stuff on the bumpers and on the underside drivetrain components like the axles. I wouldn't consider it rust. I consider it light patina. The body and the frame are clean. So what else to tell you about it? It being a sport, it also has the heavy duty Dana 44 rear end with Trac-Lok differential, which is nice if you're going to off-road it. This is a 5-speed manual as well, and factory hardtop, factory full doors. Black hardtop, obviously. Let's walk around it a little bit. As you can see, there's no major damage, dings. It's never been any wrecks, anything like that. The tires are old. I will tell you, the tires are very old. They're probably about 12 years old. They do need to be replaced if you're going to daily drive it. We've actually been driving. We probably put 100 miles, maybe a little bit less, probably more like 80 miles on this vehicle since we've had it in. We test drive all of our Jeeps pretty thoroughly before they go up for sale, so just to make sure nothing's wrong with them. Everything works as it should on this. Heat works great, cruise control works great, air conditioner works great, windshield wipers are fine. Yeah, but the tires are old. I would replace them. They're original BFG all-terrains. I would just put some brand new BFG all-terrains, KO2, KO3s, if it was my Jeep. Let's see what else to tell you about it here. Interior's in really good condition. This has what they call the Agate interior. It might be kind of hard to see in our warehouse here, but there's a whole bunch of pictures online that we will post. No rips, stains, tears, funny smells, anything like that. It does have the original factory floor mats, which is nice. AC blows ice cold. It's been really hot here. Back seats there, it's in good shape. Overall, everything's in pretty good shape. It kind of is what it is. This is not like a restored Jeep or anything. It doesn't need to be restored. It's in really good condition. So you'll see small little, I don't know, maybe a blemish here and there, some fading on these fender flares, but like I said, nothing major. This would be a really good TJ to own if you wanted to keep it totally like it is, or modify it, obviously do whatever you want. It runs and drives great right now. I probably wouldn't do a thing to it other than put new tires on it. That's it. So like I said, no leaks. It's in really good shape. Let me pop the hood, start the motor, let you hear it. Be sure to check out our website, jmotorsllc.com. You can also reach us anytime at 940-808-2382. And yeah, don't forget to like, tag, and share this YouTube channel and our Facebook page. So again, our website is johnstonmotorsllc.com. You can speak with me, Hunter Johnston, or any of the other family members that work here. There's your engine bay. We just cleaned it up. Cleaned up very nicely, actually. I'm going to start it up, and I'll leave you guys with the engine running.